हंसी तुम सा गया है लाज़मी मेरी खुशी एहसास ये है जो नया जाने कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने हाँ दागे हैं सब कुछ नया सा है हर पल हंसी और नए से इरादे हैं किससे सुने थे जो हीरो और रांझा कि सच वो अब लागे हैं जाने ये कैसे नजर ने तेरी निशाने याद आ गए हैं
मन के सर महके रेशम रेशम लागे रे दिल चंपई चंपई बांधे सिंदूरी से धागे रे सुनो कनमनी सुनो कनमनी शहनाई सी बाजे रे सावली सावली तेरी आँख में बांधनी से खबरे खनक खनक गई हंसी हंसी तेरी कनक कनक करा हुई अभी अभी
तांकड़े तक जनक तक दी टिंकड़े तक जनक तक दी तांकड़े तक जनक तक दी इड़े तक जनक तक दी
नीला पवन मुगम एन तेरी मद सदा गणम अवड़ एन पुरिंदद
तांकड़े तक जनक तक दी टिंकड़े तक जनक तक दी तांकड़े तक जनक तक दी इड़े तक जनक तक दी
ইংল্যান্ডে যাওয়ার পরে খুব খুশি হয়েছিল কারণ এখানে থাকতে ওর বাবা কর্মসূত্রে বাইরে থাকতো এখানে স্কুলের পড়াশোনার খুব চাপ ছিল তো প্রথম দিন ওখানে যখন স্কুলে যায় অনেক টয়েস দেখে এসে বলেছিল মা আগে কেন এলাম না তো এখানে তো পড়াশোনার এত চাপ নেই তো খুব খুশি আর কি আমি এখানে আমি প্রথম ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ফ্লাইট তো পৃথাকে যাচ্ছি ছোট্ট পৃথা তখন ইয়ার 5-এ পড়ে তো আমাকেই গাইড করে নিয়ে পৃথা চলে গেল মাসকাটে। ক্রিস একজন খুবই হাম্বল পারসন, খুব হেল্পফুল, আমার তো মনে হয় দে মেড ফর ইচ আদার। দুজন দুজনকে ভীষণ নানানভাবে হেল্প করে, সেম প্রফেশনেই আছে দুজনে, একসাথে ইউনিভার্সিটিতে পড়াশোনা করা, তো বড়দের রেসপেক্ট করা, যেটা আমাকে খুব, আমার নিজের খুব ভালো লাগে। আর ও খুব মানে আমার সাথে তো আমার জামাই নয়, আমার সাথে ওর খুব বন্ধুর মতো সম্পর্ক, আমরা বলতে পারো টম অ্যান্ড জেরির সম্পর্ক। আমরা খুব লেকপুল করি দুজন দুজনকে। উইশিং বোথ অফ দেম আ ভেরি হ্যাপি ম্যারিড লাইফ। আর দুজনের সাথে এরকমই সাপোর্টিভ থেকো, একজন অন্যকে হেল্প করো, দুজনে মিলে সুস্থ থাকুক, ভালো থাকুক, আনন্দেতে থাকুক, এইভাবে বাকি জীবনটা ও একে অন্যকে সাহায্য করে কেটে যাক। আর ভালোবাসাটা যেন চিরকাল যেন অটুট যেন থাকে, ব্যাস মা হিসাবে এটাই পাওয়া বা এটাই চাওয়া। আর ক্রিসের সম্বন্ধে আরেকটা কথা বলি, ক্রিস খুব রেসপেক্টও করে পৃথাকে, ওরা দুজনে খুব বন্ধুর মতো, এইটা আমার খুব ভালো লাগে। মানে আমি মা হিসাবে অনেক জিনিস জানি না যেটা পৃথা ক্রিসের সাথে মানে শেয়ার করে, সেটা আরও ভেবে আমার খুব ভালো লাগে যে ওরা দে আর শেয়ারিং এভরিথিং ইচ আদার। সো দ্যাটস দ্য থিং।
How would I explain it or describe it? I'm not sure. But she is my daughter. I have seen her from this size, now this or this. Okay, she grew up with us, and for my profession, I missed her quite a lot because I had to go abroad, leaving my family behind for months or weeks. ও যখন ছোট ছিল ওকে আমরা ওই কাঁথায় জড়িয়ে রাখতাম, জড়িয়ে রেখে ঘুম পাড়াতাম। আর আমি বলতাম যে ওটা পাটিসাপটা, পাটিসাপটা যেমন পিঠে হয় সেরকম ওই কাঁথা জড়ালে ওরকম পাটিসাপটার একটা শেপ হতো, তো ওকে আমি পাটিসাপটা বলে মজা করতাম। ক্রিস ইজ ওয়েল ম্যানার্ড and he is very focused on his health, goes to gym regularly, keeps himself fit and busy as well. And professionally, they both of them do the same job in the same company, so they are all, for that matter, they are equal. And to be honest, I like Chris since the day we met. So yeah, he's a nice lad. I am happy to have him as a groom in our family. I think in all relationships, be it family, husband, wife, friends, accommodating each other is the key thing, because and also because both of them professionally in the same line, so would not be more difficult for them to adjust themselves. So it is the adjustment between them, and I hope they would do well in the future. I will miss her presence in the house, because she will I will be sitting in the living room watching telly or doing something. She will come down, knocking on the stairs loudly, open the fridge, look for food, pick up something, bang the fridge to close and go upstairs. She would be doing this 8-10 times in a day, so I would miss that.
Maria,
सेंट लगा के तेरा पार्टियों में जाना, आशिक फसाने का तरीका है पुराना। सेंट लगा के तेरा पार्टियों में जाना, आशिक फसाने का तरीका है पुराना। ताने बदने के तू सुर सारे छेड़।
Look into her eyes and say, Preeta, after our marriage, I'll never let you sit on the seat.
I'll never let you sit on the seat.
I'll always keep you seated on my head.
On my head.
Can we hear you guys? Meanwhile, the next vow, I promise to take you on many trips around the year,
To take you on many trips around the year.
along with your female friends.
Along with your female friends.
Okay, the next vow, I promise,
I promise.
after our marriage,
After our marriage,
I'll wake up first,
I'll wake up first. Which I always
make black coffee for you,
make black coffee for you
and wake you up then.
and wake you up then.
Oh my god, the princess treatment, guys, thoda sa shor macha do yaar. The princess treatment really needs it. Okay, the next vow, I promise,
I promise.
after our marriage,
Why am I making the promises?
because the girls are gonna follow all of them without even taking them. Okay, I promise,
I promise.
after our marriage,
After our marriage,
I'll not look at other women.
I'm not look at other women.
I'll do a sneak peek.
Just a sneak peek.
Just how
Just like how?
Preeta's father does it.
Preeta's father.
Yes, I promise.
First, I promise.
Some more sweetness, please. Some more romance. Little bit. A little bit.
Skeptical. But I promise.
Okay. After our marriage,
After our marriage,
I'll try
I'll try
to be a little sweet
to be a little sweet.
and
Just a little.
just a little sprinkle. Okay. And
And,
television remote will be always in my hand.
oh yeah, it always is. The TV remote.
Yes, absolutely. Make some noise, everybody. Come on, bring your voice in. Pretty sure Pachegi is going to put out the group. Music. That is it. Oh! Sam, the young man, look at the smile, $1 million smile, father.
He's not a man, he's a boy.
Please don't upset your bride.
Super. Sir, like this is that moment that you're already raising a toast, and what wishes you want to give to both of them? They're starting a new journey together.
Stay healthy.
Is that it?
That's it. That's enough.
Sir, by any chance, who do you want to say all the best?
All the best.
That's what I wanted to hear too. Okay, who loves kids more? Her. Who is the most talkative? I know it. Yeah, that's she. The queen. Okay. Who is the laziest? Oh, Preeta was like, oh. Okay, who's the most adventurous? Both of you. Who is always on social media and mobile phones and calls and lots of, talks? First you decide who. Him? And he says you? Yeah, that's true. Who is the bathroom singer? Who sings while taking shower?
I definitely don't.
Must be her. How can you not know?
I don't hear it.
Preeta, how can you not know? Come on. Okay, no one knows. Alright, then moving on. Okay. All the people from the Chris side, can you make some noise one more time? Lovely. I expect a little more from Preeta's side. All the lucky boys, make some noise!
Mine was better.
Yours was better? Okay, I agree to that.
तेरे हाथों कंगना खनके तेरे पैरों पायल छनके नैनों से बोले रब्बा रब्बा मैं डोले रब्बा रब्बा अमृत बोले रब्बा रब्बा तू सोनिए सोनी सोनी ते आजा मारी वे सोनी सोनी ते आजा मारी वे
Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Let's have some Ronak Shanak, let's have some party now. Let's have some Rola Rappa.
Run the track and nobody look back. Them say,
Let's have some Dhola Dhamalka. Let's call the Dholi now. Let's have some Matti Tappa. Chalo chalo ji lak lak gaalo. Chalo chalo ji mauj manaalo. Chalo chalo ji nach lao gaalo. Magar kisi ki list and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist.
run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back. Run the track, run the track, run the track and nobody look back. Them say, run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
विकेट शिकेट से दुनिया चले फिर भी चले बल्ले बल्ले हो गई हाँ हो गई ओ हंसी खुशी में गम की बुद्धि हवा में बुद्धि वो काटा लो खो गई हाँ खो गई छोड़ो छोड़ो सब रोने धोने छोड़ो छोड़ो दुख आके तोड़े देखो देखो दिन सोने मोड़े यही लाइफ की चीज and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist.
Singing, dancing, hot romancing must be all the time. Any season, need no reason for some pleasing, feeling fine. It's a party, everybody move your body. It's free, if you want it, get down on it, let the music play. We'll be singing, dancing, hot romancing must be all the time. Any season, need no reason for some pleasing, feeling fine. Get your party on, never, never dance out, but never let nobody ever get you down. If you want it, get down on it, let the music play.
सोने मोने मल्ला मल्ली कर गए टल्ली आंख वांख सी लड़ गई हाँ लड़ गई बोतल चातल खाली मुन्ना दारो शारो बिन पीते ही चढ़ गई हाँ चढ़ गई देखो देखो सब घूम रहा है देखो देखो जग झूम रहा है यहाँ वहाँ दिल ढूंढ रहा है हम खुशियों की
Anybody in the spot tonight? We twist, we twist,
was so happy and very tremendous, joyful day 2 years before when my wife told me about Chris and Preeta arrangements, wedding arrangements, wedding plan, and so many things. So I informed my father first, Chris' father, granddad. So all family members, we were together in Chennai. So we were so happy. My best wishes, my prayers for Chris and Preeta wedding life in future and their family, long life, and my wishes and my father, Chris' granddad wishes also on behalf of telling to Chris and Preeta. This is our heartfelt wishes, and this is purely the plan of and the grace of God. Only they join together. Our prayers and support forever and ever throughout our life. So my best wishes and kisses to Preeta and my son Chris. My prayers every minute until my life. I'll support, and I would like to see the happiest life, happiest organized and family life, and in their profession and the future family, kids. Our support will there all the time. God bless Chris and Preeta.
Me and Chris, my son, was together, and we were just sitting there and talking casually, and he mentioned me about Preeta. Mom, I've seen a beautiful young girl called Preeta. I really love her. And when he said that, I said, I thought, oh, he really loves her. Then that much he loves her. So he wouldn't be telling me this as a surprise, like that much. I could feel his heart and emotion when he said that, Mom, I love this girl. I met her in university. Then I thought, okay, let's meet Preeta one day because I want to know. Then secretly, one day he took me. He said, let's go to central London to Oxford Street. I thought I was going for a shopping with him. He's taking me to the shopping. Then I saw Preeta coming, Preeta and her mom walking by, and he said, this is Preeta. And I was so happy for him. And I know how much he loved her. The way she talks to me like auntie, when she says auntie, I do feel her love. Auntie, how are you? Why didn't you say this to me? Today she asked me, when she entered the hall, why didn't you say this to me? Like, why didn't you say that, how do I look like? I had it in my heart, like she looks so beautiful. I was so happy, but I couldn't utter that word immediately. But she's very, she speaks from her heart. So what's in her heart does comes from her words. So she's very loving girl, and I'm so privileged to have her as my daughter-in-law. When you're married, you should have fun together. When you don't have fun, that means you're staying in a marriage like you're just there in your marriage. You don't have much fun. You have to be friends. At the same time, you have to be husband and wife together. That way it works together. And suppose if you're making mistakes or any misunderstanding, you can say sorry. You shouldn't wait for someone to come and say sorry. Oh, this person he has to come and say sorry to me first, or she has to come and say sorry to me first. It comes from your heart, so you can say sorry, forgive me. That's all. It just goes on. Life just goes on. It's happy. My best wishes for them is to remain as a very good friends like devoted, loving companions to each other, supporting each other as loving friends, and to be there for each other in their life journey together. That's my only wish. I wish them a very good married life together. They love each other so much, and I want them to be together always. Whatever happens, I see them together.
मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लईया, ओ तेरे नाल प्रीता लईया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, तेरे नाल प्रीता लईया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया, ओ किन्ने साल इंतजार में बिताया। वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लईया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। कुछ दिन मेरे यार पुराने की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया हो। तेरे नहीं क्यों होश ठिकाने, की हो गया, की हो गया, की हो गया हो। कमले नू तेरे होर किसे दी, कमले नू तेरे होर किसे दी। लोड़ ते फिक्र नहीं, वे माही तैनू, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। तेरे नाल प्रीता लईया, वे माही तैनू खबर नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मैंने चाहा तुझे, मेरी खता नहीं, मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। मेरी खता है कि तुझे पता नहीं। अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं, मगर कुछ है। अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं, मगर कुछ है। फिदा हूँ मैं तो एक नजर बस, एक नजर बस, एक नजर तक के लगे भी तो ये और किधर अब, और किधर दिल संग तेरे लग के। सही वो भी लगे मुझको, गलत तुझ में अगर कुछ है। अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है। तुम बिन मैं बिन बात का, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है।
कहाँ अपनी खबर कुछ है अलग, तुझ में असर कुछ है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है। तुम बिन मैं बिन बात ना, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है। तुम बिन मैं बिन कुछ बात है। करिश्मे सच में होते हैं, इस बात की तू मिसाल है। सवालों का जवाब है, या खुद ही तू एक सवाल है। जितनी भी तारीफ करूं मैं वो कम है। कसम से तू कमाल है, तू कमाल है, तू कमाल है, तू कमाल है। दिल ये मेरा बहता गया इश्क में, यूं तेरे और ये चेहरा खिलता गया। देख के यूं तुझे अब ना मांगे मन मेरा कुछ भी, तू मिल गया, सब मिल गया। रूखा रूखा सा था, तेरे आने से सब खिल गया, सब खिल गया। दिल मेरा है जुड़ा तुझसे यूं, दिल मेरा है जुड़ा तुझसे यूं, तुझसे सर्दी में धूप के जैसा है, करता रोशन मेरा जहां। मुझ में बसता है, ऐसे तू रहता है, मुझ में ही ना अब कुछ मेरा। तू चले तो संग चलूं, आंखें पुकार ले तो आऊंगा, दरिया सभी कूद गए। जरा जरा ये मुझको इतना बताए कोई, कैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई। रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं।
We went on a date, ice skating in Canary Wharf. This was asked by Chris on, well, 14th of February, if you guys know what that day is. And he said, yeah, you want to come ice skating? I said, okay, sure. I mean, sounds like a plan. He said, are you doing something? I said, no. In my mind, I was thinking, is this a date? But couldn't be sure. But turns out it was. But he made it super casual, made sure that no one knows, or, well, at least I didn't know, that it was a date, and that was it. And then, you know, we were always in the same course, always in the same classes, so it just happened naturally from there. We were just friends from the beginning, so we just always hang out with our kind of uni friends, always go to like the movies, the shops, you know, kind of study together in the library, stay up until like 1 a.m. in the libraries and so on. So I think naturally you kind of get to know a person, and to me he just always seemed really warm-hearted and really kind, and I think not just considerate towards someone he likes, which was very obvious, which is of course obvious when someone likes someone, you're considerate, but he just has this kind-heartedness towards everyone, and he's just very friendly, so it was easy.
I think it's something that we wanted to do for a long time. There's no doubt, there's nothing. It's just now we're officially married, and now there's no going back. But I think regardless of this, we weren't going to go back anyway. I think it just maintains our strong relationship, and it's just an event that we can cherish and remember forever. I would say, regardless of where we end up in our careers, it's just remember the last decades of our lives and cherish the moments that we've spent on holiday together with our family. When we look back, I really hope that we look back in a very happy sense, and that we've adventured the world and done as much as we can together as possible.
It's hard to pinpoint a moment when you've known someone for so long. It's kind of the little things that they do on a daily basis, you know? It's not like you see it in those little moments, in the kind of gestures, in just how he looks after me, and we look after each other in that way, and just how I've slowly come to realize that he is like my person. He is my person in the sense that if anything happens, apart from my dad, he's the first person I go to, you know, to share whenever I'm upset, whenever I'm happy, whether it's, you know, something funny, because I like to make jokes. So that's, I think it's in those moments, you know.
Definition of love for me is what you've showed me the last 8.5 years. It's support, it's kindness to me, my family, to everyone, being with me through ups and downs, through my temperament and emotions, and making me a better person. I think that's what love is.
I think love is a mixture of consideration, effort, and constant kind of humility, and also curiosity in each other, willing to be kind of understand who the other person is, trying to understand where they're coming from because we're two different people, and then kind of slowly accepting each other, bettering each other every day.
Well, regardless of how anxious I am and how angry I get sometimes, she's always supported me. She's always stayed calm. She's always led how I should live my life and bettered my emotions and kept me calm. I see her as a guide and also a leader in our relationship. I think she makes me a better person overall, and I hope I can say the same for her.
I think I just want to say I'm really proud of you. I'm really proud of the man you are, the man you have become, and I think the man that you continue to be for us, for you, and for everyone else around you. You try to be a better person every day, and I think I'm just really proud of you. I'm really proud of the journey we have been on together, and I hope that 10, 20, 30 years down the line, we still look back when we first met, back when we went to watch our first movie together. So I'm just really proud of the growth, I think, and I just wanted to say that to you.
8 years, 3 months, and 4 days, and we're here. We've continued supporting each other through ups and downs. We've made each other stronger people. We have advanced in our lives so much, and I promise I'll continue supporting you for the rest of our lives. I'm looking forward to all the great things we can do together.
And I just hope we can enjoy life. We can enjoy life together. I just know as long as it sounds so cliche and so stupid, and I don't even know why I'm crying, but I know it's stupid. We worry about so much. We worry about work, about life, about people in general, but who cares? Who cares? At the end of the day, I have you and you have me, and I think that's all that matters.
आज इबादत रूबरू हो गए, जो मांगी थी, जो मांगी थी, उस दुआ से गुफ्तगू हो गए। मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, तेरा शुक्रिया। आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई। விடிந்தாலும் வானம் இருள் பூச வேண்டும், மடி மீது சாய்ந்து கதை பேச வேண்டும்.
முடியாத பார்வை நீ வீச வேண்டும், முழு நேரம் என் மேல் உன் வாசம் வேண்டும்.
இன்பம் எதுவரை நாம் போவோம், அதுவரை நீ பார்க்க பார்க்க காதல் கூடுதே. ஓ, உன்னாலே என்னாலும் என் ஜீவன் வாழுதே. சொல்லாமல் உன் சுவாசம் என் மூச்சில் சேருதே.
তোমার নামের উত্তরে আমি ডুবেছি সমুদ্রে, জানি না যাব কতদূরে এখনো। আমার পোড়া কপালে আর আমার সন্ধে সকালে তুমি কেন এলে জানি না এখনো। বন্দিয়াটে মন পালাবার, বন্দি আছে কাছে সে তোমার। যদি সত্যি জানতে চাও তোমাকে চাই, তোমাকে চাই। যদি মিথ্যে মানতে চাও তোমাকে চাই। ও যদি সত্যি জানতে চাও তোমাকে চাই, তোমাকে চাই। যদি মিথ্যে মানতে চাও তোমাকে চাই।
काम इश्क मेरा काम इश्क मेरा काम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये रब इश्क ये बैर इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये रब इश्क ये बैर इश्क
dream big or put in the efforts to achieve those dreams. It hasn't been always easy for us, but you've worked hard to build this life that you have today, and seeing where you are now, standing beside Preeta, makes me so proud and so happy. And to Preeta, my favourite sister, from the moment I met you, I knew you were someone truly special. You bring the best in Chris. You've been his support network, his best friend. You've made my brother the happiest I've seen him, and for that I'm so grateful. You're not just his perfect partner, you've become an irreplaceable part of our family, and we're all so lucky to have you in our lives, especially for Alicia to have such a wonderful mama and Barbie mummy. Preeta and Chris together, you're not only a beautiful couple, but also an incredible aunt and uncle to Alicia, and you bring everyone so much joy and love always. Thank you to, especially to Preeta's parents, for being a loving aunt and uncle to me always. You have always brought so much joy, and I'm blessed to have our families unite as one today. Although I can't be there in person, I give you all my love and blessings for a beautiful life together. Listen and Preeta, I love you always, forever, and you both worked so hard to create a life full of love, and I know your marriage will just be as strong and beautiful as everything you've built so far. Here's a lifetime of laughter, adventure, and endless love around the course of one couple. Love you all, celebrate for me, dance for me, play all the music, and I hope the DJ's here today.
Me and you, baby, will walk in the footsteps and build our own family, one day at a time. 10 little toes, a painted pink room. Our beautiful baby looks just like you, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand, and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you, I'll stand through the good and the bad. We'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. This life will go by in the blink of an eye, but I wouldn't want to spend it without you by my side. The clouds are gonna roll, the earth's gonna shake, but I'll be a shelter through the wind and